how to show or hide the Spotify tab in the Samsung Music Player on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on Samsung Music. Next, tap on the option key and from the pop-up, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Manage Tabs. In here, tap on Spotify. Deselect the checkbox to hide Spotify, or tap on the checkbox to turn it on. Now, if I deselect the Spotify tab, you can see that now if I go back into my Samsung Music, that Spotify tab at the top is now gone. And that is how you can show or hide the Spotify tab in Samsung Music. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.